Hello everyone, let's get mathematics started. Like I told you before, achieve goals like thief, solve like thief, learn like thief. Now, in this mathematics that we are doing, I want us to start from the simplest one to the more difficult one. And the first one we'll be treating is simple equation. Now we are treating the word simple equation. How do you understand what I mean by simple equation? When you hear simple, it is something easy. Now equation, we bring equation from equals to. Some people always find it difficult to find the difference between equation and expression. Now, the difference between equation and expression is that expression doesn't have any equals to, while equation has what equals to. An example, if you have what? Let's say you have x plus 5 and you have x plus 5 equals to 4. This is an expression, while this is an equation. The difference between them is that is the equals to. So that's why we call it equation. And now, for us to move on to what we call what equation, there are some things we need to learn, and which is how to use the sign very well. We have different kind of sign. But right now we are using the four signs, which are the what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and what? Division. It is very difficult because some people find it difficult to use the sign. But trust me, since you are watching this video, since you will watch this video, you are going to know how to use the sign very well. Now let's start. Now, all of us, we know that 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, which is very right. We know that 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, which is very right. But how do we get it? In the olden days or in our primary section, we know that, okay, this is 1, this is 1. Count them together, it gives us 2. We have this is 1, take away 1, it gives us what is 0. But no, in an advanced way, because there are some complicated questions that will come to the extent that you won't be able to solve it if you are using your normal way. But if you use this advanced way, you'll be able to what? Solve it, even though the question is what? Complicated. Now, just know that if a number can stand on its own, either whole number, fraction, decimal number, if it can stand on its own, just know that it has an invisible plus. For example, now you have 3. This 3 here has an invisible plus, and minus does not have that. Minus is not invisible. Minus is always visible. For example, now you have what? Minus 3. Minus is always visible, but while your plus is not all the time. But if your plus is in the mixture of, or if number is in the mixture of another number, the plus will be what? Visible. But if the number stands on its own, it has invisible plus. Now you have your 1, you have what? 1 here. This your plus here is what? Is visible because it is with another number. But this one here, it has what? An invisible plus. Do you understand? It has what? An invisible plus. Now I want us to know something, how we are able to what? Attach this what? Plus and what? Minus. Now I want us to know something, how we use this sign, your plus and minus. Remember that I want to teach you the advanced way in which you are going to solve anything about what? Addition and subtraction. Now, this your plus, just classify it as something you have with you. You understand? It can be money, it can be pen, it can be book, anything. Something you have with you, just classify your plus as. But while your minus is something you are owing. You are owing something. That's your minus. Now look at it now. You have your 1 and you have 1 plus 1. This is your 1, you have plus 1. I told you before that this one here has what? An invisible plus. This one, it has invisible plus. It is invisible. But if you want to make it visible, you can make it visible. You understand? Now you now have what? Plus 1 plus 1. I told you before, classify your plus as something you are with, something you have. Now, if you have plus 1, it means you have 1 with you. It can be money, it can be pen. You have one pen with you. This is it. And you have another plus 1. You have another pen with you. So how many pens you have together? You have 2 pens. That's how they're able to get 2. But you can see this 2 is on its own. It means that it has but invisible. So it's telling you that what you have with you is what? Is 2 pens. I told you it might not be pen, it can be money. It can be 1 naira, 1 naira, and it give you what? 2 naira. So just use this life activities and use the terms to apply it in mathematics or apply it in mathematics. Now you have the second one as what? 1 minus 1. It gives what is 0. Everybody knows it gives us what is 0. Now this your 1 here, it has what? An invisible plus. Why this? You can see this minus plus 1 minus 1. Your plus is something you have with you. Minus is something you are owing. Now this is your plus 1. I have 1 pen with me. And this minus 1, you are owing another person. You are owing someone 1 pen. Yeah, you don't have to be wicked. You have to go and pay the person. You have to go and return the pen that you are owing the person. So since you have 1 pen with you and you are owing another person a pen, so if you now go and pay the person, or you go and give the person back the pen you are owing the person. Now if I should ask you, do you still have with you? No. Are you still owing? No. So that no means what is 0. That is nothing. That is how they are able to what? Get what is 0. Now let me bring out complicated questions to say that you are going to know that yes, this is what you can use to solve it. Okay, let's say for example now you have minus 7 plus 5. You have this minus 7 plus 5. Minus, I told you, you are owing. Plus is what? You have something with you. Now let's put it in terms of money. This is minus 7. You are owing someone 7 naira. That minus is already owing. So you are owing someone 7 naira. And this is what? Plus 5. You have 5 naira with you. You don't have to be wicked. Just go and give the person that you are owing. Now since you have 5 naira with you and you are owing someone 7 naira, and you remove the 5 naira and you go and give the person that you are owing, are you still owing or you still have with you? You are still owing. And what you are owing is what? 2. So owing means what? Minus, then you put your 2. That's it. So it is very, very simple. Just use the word life activities. Just apply it to what? Mathematics. You can have, okay, minus 11 minus 6. How do we get the answer? Minus means you are owing someone 11 naira. You are also owing another person, or maybe the same person, 6 naira. Now, are you still owing, or you have money with you? You are still owing, and the amount you are owing is what? That's minus 17. You are owing 17. So it means that's the answer will be what? Minus 17. So a lot. So they can give you a lot of questions that can come out with it. So you just have to what? Use it. Just use the step. Apply it to it. Even though if a lot of question comes in and use the what? The step, you will still get your answer. Even though the question should be what? You should be long from here to the other side. And you keep doing it little by little. You are owing, okay, I have this with me. You are owing, I have this with me. You are going to get your answer. Now, what I want us to know next is, I want us to know how to use multiplication and division in terms of addition and subtraction. Because all this stuff will be seen it if you are already seeing questions under simple equations. Now, there's one thing I want us to know. You have your minus times minus, plus times minus, minus times plus, and plus times plus. Your minus times minus will give you plus. Plus times minus will give you minus. Minus times plus will give you minus. Why plus times plus will give you what? Plus. So this minus times minus, it is plus. Plus times minus, minus. Minus times plus, minus. Why plus times what? Plus is what? Is plus. Now, how are we going to solve something like this? We all know that your minus is something you are owing. But right now, that is what? Addition and subtraction. Now, let's say for example now, we have minus 3 times 2. It is very simple. Just look at these rules. You are going to be able to get it. Just know these rules. minus times minus equals to plus, and so on and so forth, you are going to get your answer. Look at it. You have minus 3 times 2. This 2 here, remember it has what? Invisible plus. Very simple. Your minus is not even invisible. Your minus is always visible, but your plus, it can be invisible, it can be visible. So you are going to know how it is what? Invisible, or it is not what? Visible, or it is not invisible. Now you have what? Minus 3 times 2. Look at it. Minus times plus. That is the first thing you should do. Minus times plus. Look at it. Minus times plus, it gives you what? Minus. Now 3 times 2 will give you what? 6. That's how to get to minus 6. So minus 3 times 2 will give you minus 6. Very simple. Just know the rule. This one, there's nothing like maybe you are owing so on and so forth. No, just know the way you are able to know the rule of this, the multiplication of minus and plus, you are going to solve anything concerning the multiplication of minus and plus. Let's say for example now you have minus 30 times minus 2. All of you will be surprised that, okay, why did I put this into the bracket? The reason is because it won't be possible if I just write something like this, minus 30 times minus 2. No, because you'll be confused. And this bracket itself, it means multiplication, large multiplication. Do you understand? Now, if you have minus 30 times minus 2, the first thing you will do, this is minus, and you can see, you see that this your minus, it is not invisible, it is visible. So you have minus times minus. This minus times minus will give you what? Plus. 30 times 2 will give you 60. You can write your answer as what? Plus 60, or you can just write 60. That's the answer. Your plus can be visible, or your plus can be visible. Now you can have another question like this. If you have minus 4 times 2 times minus 6, you have minus 4 times 2 times minus 6. This is minus. These two has what? Invisible plus. So minus times plus will give you what? Minus. Now that minus times this minus will give you what? Plus. So write your plus. 4 times 2, 8 times 6. That's 48. It will give you what? Plus 48. Your answer can be 48, or it can be plus 48. This is about the what? Multiplication of addition and subtraction sign. Now I want us to go for the word division. Now let me tell you something. Subtraction is the opposite of addition, while division is the opposite of multiplication. Because all of us, we don't pray that our share is being cut off. We always pray that our share is being multiplied. Now look at it. The same way you solve your multiplication is also the same way you will solve your addition. Now you have minus divided by minus will give you plus. Minus divided by plus will give you minus. Plus divided by minus will give you minus. While plus divided by plus will give you plus. Still the same thing. The difference is that this is division, while the other one we solve is what? Multiplication. Now how do we do this? Let's say for example now we have minus 3 divided by 6. You have minus 3 divided by 6. This is minus. This your 6 here, it has what? Invisible plus. This your division has different meaning. It can also be over. It can be over. Now, can just write what? Equals to minus 3 over what? Over 6. Or you can just write your plus 6. Then put my plus 6. So you can understand what I'm saying. Now this is what? Minus 3 over, this division also means what? Over. Minus 3 over plus 6. Now look at it. Minus divided by plus. Look at it. Minus divided by plus will give you minus. Equals to minus. 3. How many 3 can you see in 3? 1. 3 in 6 is what? 2. So the answer is what? Minus 1 over 2. Everybody should know that. You should know how to cut. You should know how to divide numbers. Now, that is how to use your what? Your division in terms of minus and plus sign. Now, that is what? Minus 1 over 4. Okay, if you have a question like this, you have minus 81 divided by minus 9. You have minus 81. You also have minus 9. You are also divide it. So it will give us what? Minus 81 over minus 9. Some people can cut, but some people can eliminate by saying minus cancel minus. But just look at the normal rules. Minus divided by minus will give you plus. That's equals to plus. 9 can go in both of them. 9 in 9 is 1. 9 in 81 is what? Is 9. So the answer is what? Plus 9. That's it. It can be plus 9 or it can be 9. If you want to make it invisible, no problem. If you want to make it visible, no problem. Do you understand? So this is how to what? Use your minus. This is how to use your division in terms of minus and plus sign, addition and subtraction sign. Now you can have question like this. You can have 7 divided by minus 21. You have 7, you have divided by what? Minus 21. This is your 7 here. It has invisible plus. So you see the same by you saying that what? Plus 7 over minus 21. Plus divided by minus will give you minus. You have your minus. What can go? 7. 7 in 21 is what? 3. 7 in 7 is what? 1. So the answer will give you what? 1 over 3. That the answer is minus 1 over 3. Okay, let me do last example. If you have, let me use 40 divided by what? 20. Now look at it. No minus sign. You have 40, it has invisible plus. You have 20, it has invisible plus. Now, you see the same thing by saying that what? Plus 40 over plus 20. Plus divided by plus will give you plus. Now, how many 20 or what can go is 20? 20 in 20 is 1. 20 is 40 is what? 2. So the answer will give you what? Plus 2. I told you, you can make it invisible or you might make it what? Invisible. So please and please like the video, comment, share anything you believe that okay, maybe it's not right and so on and so forth. Just let me know so I can make amendment and so on and so forth. No one is above mistake. I'm not perfect. Thank you so much. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Master with Abdussalam or Big Salam. My TikTok, Big Salam. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.